Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will be showing you how I get my summery beachy mermaid hair. So I've been looking around for a wave wand. I saw some at Sephora, but they were really expensive. I think it was the Amika brand. Basically it's a wand that has kind of zigzag patterns, and it kind of like crimps your hair in a way. It makes how I would describe it, like mermaid waves. So I was on Instagram browsing and I saw this brand. It's called Bondi Boost, and I saw that they had a wave wand and it was pretty reasonably priced. I think it was like about $40 to $50, and they had like a coupon too. So I decided to order it and give it a try. I have tried this about 2 times already. I wanted to try it out to see if I really like it before I made a video and did a tutorial. So before we get into it, this is my hair after a shower and it's dried. I washed my hair last night. You can see it's pretty lifeless. It's not straight or curly. And I tend to have pretty oily hair. I did want to show you 1 or 2 products that I've been using that have been helping with my oily hair. I came across this Kerastase Energizing. It's intensely purifying scrub cleanser with sea salt. It's basically like a scrub for your scalp, and it smells pretty good. That's what it looks like. So what I do is once or twice a week I'll grab this, I'll put some on my scalp and just massage it for a good minute or so, and then rinse it off, and then I would just use my regular shampoo and conditioner. This helps my hair last an extra day or so as opposed to getting oily. So in general for my hair, I never really use hair products like hairspray or anything really. I just suck at hair. I do use Moroccan oil once in a while, and I really love that for my hair. I think it helps my hair grow. So after I will, curl my hair or do waves, I would usually use the Mai Tai spritzer from Dry Bar. It's a sea salt spray. It smells really good, and I am out of this, so I just wanted to show you guys what I actually do use. Since I'm out and the Sephora sale was last week, I decided to order a couple items, and one of it being the Bumble surf spray. This was an OG. I would always spray this when I would go to the beach and my hair would be wet. I would spray this and my hair would come out so cute and so wavy. And another product I really like from Bumble is the Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. It's basically a heat primer. Helps with frizz. I actually bought the little kit from Sephora. It was these 3 that came together. I got that at the sale. Another difference I found was changing my hairbrush. I used to use just a basic Conair hairbrush, and I decided to switch to a Boar Bristle, I believe it's called, and I got this from Sephora. It's a little bit sharper than a regular brush, but I feel like this has helped my hair be less oily as well. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Just wanted to show you guys what it came in. It's a pretty big box, so that's what it looks like. This is the wand. It comes with that, some instructions, a manual, and it comes with 1 glove. I don't really use this, but I think it does come in handy. Here's the wand. This is what it looks like. It's pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie, but I just got used to it. It's like 3 barrels, looks like that. And the cord is really long, which I love. Here we go. I'm gonna wait for it to heat up, and it's pretty quick. It's in Celsius, by the way. I put it to 205 Celsius. I will section my hair off halfway just to make it easier. Okay, so I have bottom half, maybe a little bit less than that. Just gonna quickly brush it lightly. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray the invisible oil on before any heat touches my hair. I love the smell of this. It makes me feel like it's summer and I'm like by the beach on vacation. Love that. Okay, so she is ready. I'll grab like this much hair and open. This is so hard not to do with the mirror. Okay, so open and clamp. Make sure it's in the middle. I'll just hold this hair up. Leave it for a few seconds. I usually do like 10 to 15 seconds. And then I open, clamp the rest. Okay. And then I go to the end. Wow, that's so ugly. And then last part, I will leave like an inch or so off. I don't do it all the way to the end. And there you go. So cute. So easy, so fast. I like doing this better than braiding my hair and like sleeping overnight because sometimes it comes out a little wonky.
One more time. I'm gonna Snapchat if they fucking fuck with. By the way, I looked at Trader Joe's to see if they had those mozzarella bread thingies. They didn't have it, but they did have a bunch of like mozzarella sticks and mac and cheese bite balls. So just letting you know.
Guys, me and my cousin literally just talk about food. Oh. Please don't talk about my pale hands. I don't know why the rest of my body is always more pale than my face. And if I go a foundation lighter than this, I look like ghost. Okay, so for the top, I just grab the same amount of hair. Maybe a little less so it curls more. Just quickly brush it. So I try to get as close as I can to the top without burning my scalp. The ends I don't really leave on a lot so it doesn't burn too much. Sometimes the hair will slip out from the end, which is kind of annoying, but I'll just let it sit, and then when I'm going to the next section, I'll open it and put my hair back. Can anybody give me advice on how to get rid of flyaways up here? Like I always end up with them. Straightened or curled hair. I don't really know of any good hair products besides the ones I just showed you guys. Let me know in the comments. When I do the top part, I kind of lift it like that. Instead of doing it like this, I kind of lift this part so it's not too flat. I'm so low maintenance when it comes to my hair. I want to be better at my hair though, like styling or even cute ponytails. Started getting haircuts probably twice a year. Not like a crazy amount, and I've noticed it's done such a difference to my hair. My hair is the longest it has ever been. It's like almost at my butt. Like it's pretty much at my butt. And I've never had my hair that long because it would never grow. So yeah, haircuts do help. I learned that a little late. Thumbnail. We are done curling. So I always have flat hair. My hair is always gonna look flat hair no matter what I do, so it might look better, might come out better for you guys than me, but I still like it. It feels very like, it feels thicker. There is my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the Bumble and Bumble salt spray for beachy windswept styles. I'm gonna kind of like scrunch my hair. Okay guys, I am all done, and I really like this hairstyle because it's so low maintenance. It's so quick, so easy. You don't even need, all you need is just the wand and like a sea salt spray that's you can get at pretty much anywhere. Alright you guys, that was my video on how to get these simple mermaid waves. I hope you enjoyed watching, and let me know in the comments what other videos you guys would want to watch. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.